I'm now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.
फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने 2025 के बजट में टैक्स तो माफ कर दिया, बट आर यू इवन मेकिंग 12 lakhs per year? Probably not. इनफैक्ट हमारी कंट्री में द एवरेज सैलरी ऑफ अ पर्सन इज लेस देन 3 lakh rupees. एंड ये मैं नहीं, रिपोर्ट्स कह रहे हैं. एंड दिस शॉक्स मी. यू नो व्हाई? मैथ से समझाता हूँ. साल के 12 लाख मतलब हर महीना में 1 लाख रुपया. वीकेंड्स हटाकर भी इफ यू आर वर्किंग 22 days a month, then you are making approximately 4,500 rupees every day. अगर 8 hours वर्क डे भी कंसिडर करे तो 1 घंटे में तुम 600 रुपये से भी कम कमा रहे हो. जस्ट आस्क योरसेल्फ, ओके, क्या तुम्हारी 1 घंटे की कीमत 600 रुपया भी नहीं है? वेल, आई वॉन्ट टू चेंज दैट. हाई गाइज, आई एम शाग्निक. आई एम अ फॉर्मर फ्रीलांसर, currently business owner and a content creator. I will tell you 5 businesses or skills that you can learn in 2025 and easily make 1 lakh per month and maybe more than that. इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि तुमने कौन सी डिग्री की है, तुम्हारा फैमिली बैकग्राउंड क्या है, या तुम कौन से जॉब करना चाहते हो. साथ ही साथ मैं ये भी बताऊंगा कि तुम ये बिजनेसेस कैसे सीख सकते हो. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, लेट्स गेट टू नंबर 1. Number 1 is content creation. I know you will say, hey, this is so common, but I'll be real. I could have put this in the last section of the video, but I chose it because in 2025, if you're not starting content creation, you're robbing yourself out of an opportunity. ठीक है? आज से 50 साल पहले वेल्थ क्रिएट करने का सबसे बड़ा अपॉर्चुनिटी था ऑयल. ठीक है? 30 साल पहले सबसे बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी इंटरनेट थी. 10 साल पहले वाज बिटकॉइन, एंड आज की डेट में इट इज कंटेंट क्रिएशन. नो मैटर वेयर यू आर, वेदर यू आर अ डॉक्टर, अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट, अ फिटनेस ट्रेनर और अ सब्जेक्ट प्रोफेसर, ओके, यू कैन स्टार्ट मेकिंग कंटेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया. और जिस हिसाब से कंटेंट क्रिएटर पैसा छापते हैं, 1 लाख रुपीस पर मंथ इज लिटरली अ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. आई एम नॉट इवन सेइंग कि सारी कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स इतने पैसे कमाते हैं, बट इफ यू लर्न टू डू इट द राइट वे, then 1 lakh rupees per month is just the corner. Bro, I mean, creators are making more than 8 to 10 lakhs rupees a month. Some even are making 70 to 80 lakhs. I don't know if that number is real, but creators who have a million following are making 50 to 70 lakhs a month. Although that revenue dips here and there, but that number is not hard to match. Content creation के लिए किसी महंगे equipment की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need your smartphone, a 600 rupees tripod, and a 1,000 rupees ka mic. That's it. All the basic video editing and designing softwares are free of cost, and this is something you can easily learn. All what you require is your efforts and consistency. Once you get a few thousand followers, you can actually make money through AdSense, brand deals, or even selling a digital product. Hey, fuck that. You can print money from just consultations. Just add a one-on-one consultation ka link and you're good to go.
Content creation has to be looked at in a different way. People think of it as right when they start, they are like, okay, हमें Mr. Beast जैसा बनना है, हमें Logan Paul जैसा बनना है. But it's not like that. You can never become those creators. So firstly, content is more about self-discovery, जितना मैंने देखा है इस journey पे. So if you are young, 18, 19 year old, do not pick content if you don't do anything aside from it. ये मेरा सबसे main kind of pointer रहेगा. Because then तुम क्या कर लोगे? तुम्हारे पास में कुछ है ही नहीं बात करने को, तुम करते क्या हो? The whole thing that gives creators substance, firstly it's what they are doing in the video, and it often stems from what they do in their life, है ना? तो if you are young and you want to get started in content creation, have a hobby or have something that you are curious about, and then pursue that through content. That okay, I'm gonna document my journey, I'm gonna take pictures, I'm gonna take videos, I'm gonna have raw documentation, I'm gonna write down my thoughts, and it doesn't need to be too much organized. Just document your daily thoughts and think about how you're gonna pursue that thing aside from content, and then your whole game should become, how do I now showcase that? This is the easiest way to maintain longevity, because you always know that there is something else that you can be chasing within content. I think if I do, let's say 2-3 brand deals a month, I can easily make like what, 3-4 lakh rupees easy.
I'll do you one better, ठीक है? I'll add a couple of links in the description so you can just check them out. But Shagnik, I'm camera shy. I don't think so I can do this, bro. Don't worry. तुम्हें कैमरा के सामने नहीं आना है. Next 3 business ideas will easily make you 1 lakh rupees in income without requiring you to come in front of a camera. Number 2 is video editing. My favorite skill set and something which has made me so much money, and I'm so glad that I was blessed enough to be able to learn video editing by myself. And I'm so thankful to my past self that I got a mobile phone through which I learned editing, ठीक है? Video content is the present and future of content creation, ठीक है? And people are slowly realizing that after reaching a certain point in their content creation journey, hiring a video editor is not a choice. It's a necessity. This is your next big opportunity to make 1 lakh rupees a month. Video editing is the most lucrative skill set in 2025. You can become a podcast editor, a reel editor, or a short form film or documentary editor. ये सभी इतने नए businesses हैं कि शायद तुम्हारे parents को ये समझ में नहीं आएंगे. But the fact that Dhruv Rathi जैसे creators are paying their video editors 20,000 rupees per video is a big thing. Fuck that. When I was a video editor, I was charging per video $150. And the video length was around 20 minutes, and I used to edit somewhere around 20 videos a month. I was making 2,40,000. That is insane, bhai. I'm paying my YouTube video editor more than 10,000 rupees just to edit this video. Since I run a creative media house, I also have to pay my editors at least 80,000 to 1.5 lakh rupees a month. That's a crazy number right there. And creators pay more than this. India में शायद तुमको लगेगा कि people don't have the money, but creators like Dhruv Rathi, Ankur Warikoo, Akshat Srivastava, and even me now, I am paying somewhere around 8 to 12,000 rupees per video. You don't need any expensive course to learn video editing from scratch, ठीक है? YouTube पर सब free में available है. I'll make sure to drop those video links in my description so you get the best idea of where to start to video editing, ठीक है? मैंने खुद अपनी career शुरुआत video editing से की थी, ठीक है? और सिर्फ कुछ महीनों में I went from making zero money to making 40,000 a month. And if you actually want to know my whole journey और मेरा video editing का roadmap जानना है, just drop a comment and I'll explain there, I guess. Or you can also use my Topmate link to book a one-on-one session with me. Not promoting it, just dropping it out there because people keep texting me, brother help, brother help.
What you can do is you can go, if you're a video editor, of course, you can go to popular people who are creating podcasts or any famous people in the industry that you're trying to target or the niche that you're trying to target. Make a video for them, okay? Make a sample video for them. And when you're reaching out to the prospect in the email or the preferred method of outreach you're using, you know, use your words in such a way that you convey the message that you did the work for them, but you actually just did a sample. So it's just a play of words. You're not technically lying, but it instantly builds you credibility, which is something which works. Again, you're not lying, you're not morally wrong, but you just, you know, twist your words. So let's say what I could do is, let's say I'm targeting, you know, podcasts specifically. So what I can do is, let's say I can go to Chris Williamson's podcast and make a sample 40-second video out of, you know, his entire video and make the best quality possible according to my skill level, okay? And I pick a few other guys like that. Let's say I make 3 samples, and when I'm outreaching to, let's say, other podcasts who have a service, I just tell them that these are the people I've worked for and I've made videos for. 90% of people don't have the time to verify everything. They see it's a highly edited video and they think, yeah, it might be posted because it's of that high quality. So yeah.
But what if तुम्हारा इंटरेस्ट वीडियो एडिटिंग में नहीं है, कहीं और है? Well, don't worry. अभी 2 और स्किल सेट्स हैं जो तुम क्रिएटर इकोनॉमी में खुद यूजफुल बन सकते हो और ट्रस्ट मी, अपने इंजीनियर दोस्तों से ज्यादा कमा सकते हो. द नेक्स्ट स्किल सेट दैट यू कैन लर्न इज कॉपीराइटिंग. नाउ आई नो बहुत सारे लोग ये बोलेंगे कि कॉपीराइटिंग डजंट वर्क एनीमोर, वो तो आउटडेटेड हो चुकी है, एआई ने सब कुछ रिप्लेस कर दिया है. फक दैट. आई पर्सनली नो सो मेनी कॉपीराइटर्स जो मंथ में 1 लाख 2 लाख इवन 4 लाख भी कमा रहे हैं, ठीक है? जस्ट बिकॉज दे आर गुड एट देयर क्राफ्ट and they know how to sell themselves, ठीक है? Copywriting से मेरा मतलब सिर्फ advertising writing नहीं है. What I'm trying to say is you can write anything in online space and that is also copywriting. The best way to explain this is you will find CEOs and founders who have big paragraph talking about their stories, right? Well, guess what? They are not writing in themselves. They don't have the bandwidth to sit down and type their own post. They hire ghostwriters for more than $3,000 to write those paragraphs for them, ठीक है? And even content creators are hiring copywriters to make sure their scripts are more entertaining, ठीक है? क्योंकि किसी एक इंसान के पास उतना टाइम नहीं है. They have to make sure the lighting is correct. They have to make sure the camera is correct. They have to make sure that they find some time out of the brand deals that they are doing in their busy schedule. And they have to make sure that they get the most number of views in their production videos. And to get that, they need to hire experts of this field, right? And that is where copywriters come in. And in 2025, we'll see that most people who write a book are not writing it themselves. They hire ghostwriters, they drop their own story, narratives, and the ghostwriter summarizes everything and puts it onto a book. And let's be real, ठीक है? Not everyone knows how to do everything every day. of their lives, right? So they have to hire experts of the field, and that is why you'll see in 2025 most of the people who write a book, high chances are there that they are not writing it themselves. For example, Do Epic Shit, written by Ankur Warikoo, right? But it's actually written by a ghostwriter, but the credit goes to Ankur Warikoo because those are his experiences. Now, अब ये morally correct है या wrong है, ये तुमको जानना है भाई. People are making money, and that is why I'm sharing this story, because that is how the world functions nowadays. People just don't do shit by themselves. They hire experts of the field. The sooner you realize it, the lesser you worry about moral values, if it makes sense. Also, just go on Twitter and see कि लोग कितने पैसे कमा रहे हैं हर महीने सिर्फ digital writing, and that too while working wherever they want, while working from wherever they want, with whoever they want, and whenever they want. Now, writing is something जो एक level तक सबको आती है, but you need to learn the nuances of it. ठीक है? Hook कैसे लिखते हैं, एक interesting story कैसे लिखते हैं, कैसे अपनी copy को maximum retention के लिए ऑप्टिमाइज करते हैं. पर शाग्निक, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता कि किस टॉपिक के बारे में लिखूं, किस प्लेटफॉर्म के बारे में लिखूं. वेल, डोंट वरी, 2 घंटे 20 मिनट का एक वीडियो तुम्हें डिजिटल राइटिंग के बारे में सब कुछ सिखा देगी, वो भी बिल्कुल स्क्रैच से. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट स्किल्स एंड बिजनेस आइडिया, दैट इज ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. जस्ट लाइक वीडियो एडिटिंग एंड कॉपीराइटिंग, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स को आज अगर एक स्किल सेट की सबसे ज्यादा नीड है, वो है ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग. एंड यू कैन मेक 1 लाख रुपीज पर मंथ वेरी इजीली बाय प्रोवाइडिंग ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग सर्विसेज. और इसके लिए भी यू डोंट नीड अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव कोर्स. ठीक है, एग्जांपल से समझाता हूं. ठीक है, आई हैव अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माई सेल्फ हु मेक्स मोर देन 3-4 lakhs अ मंथ बाय रनिंग हर डिजाइनिंग एजेंसी दैट केटर्स टू यूट्यूबर्स. ठीक है, सिर्फ क्रिएटर्स ही नहीं, आजकल सारे बड़े ब्रांड्स भी सोशल मीडिया पर कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, राइट? एंड ऑल दे नीड आर गुड डिजाइनर्स. एंड द थिंग इज, यू डोंट इवन नीड फोटोशॉप. ठीक है, यू कैन जस्ट यूज कैनवा, फिग्मा, ऑल ऑफ द टूल्स दैट आर अवेलेबल टू यू फॉर फ्री. बट अगेन, इट्स अबाउट द स्किल सेट. ठीक है, सो बिग पीपल हु एक्चुअली हैव द सेंस ऑफ गुड डिजाइन, वो बहुत कम है. सो इफ यू जस्ट स्टिक टू दिस स्किल सेट फॉर एटलीस्ट 3 to 4 months, you can easily make more than 1 lakh. But Shagnik, how can I learn graphic designing? Well, this is the 8-hour video which teaches graphic designing from scratch. You can also learn from some awesome Canva tutorials. Me personally, I try to avoid Photoshop because I didn't have the time in my college to learn Photoshop. One of these videos will teach you everything from scratch. But what if you don't want to do any of the skill sets mentioned here? ठीक है? The next skill set that I'm going to talk about is creator management. This is Rohit Raj. इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा YouTube सुपरस्टार भुवन बाम के सक्सेस के पीछे इसी का राज है. बेसिकली रोहित एक टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी चलाते हैं जो 2016 में भुवन से मिले, and he took the business side of BBK Wines, right? So he partnered with भुवन बाम, क्योंकि कंटेंट क्रिएशन में बैरियर ऑफ एंट्री इतनी कम है कि हर रोज नए क्रिएटर आ रहे हैं, राइट? बट देन दे हैव नो आइडिया हाउ टू मेक मनी आउट ऑफ इट. दिस इज वेयर योर नेक्स्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी लाइज. अगर तुम्हारी कम्युनिकेशन एंड मैनेजमेंट स्किल्स अच्छी है एंड यू कैन हेल्प दीज कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स क्रैक ब्रांड डील्स, you can take a commission from the deal and can also charge from the creator. You just need to know the ins and out of brand deals and how the business of content creation works. और रोहित राज अकेला ऐसा इंसान नहीं है जो इस फील्ड में है, ठीक है? There are so many people running individual agencies providing PR and talent management services. अगर तुम्हें सीखना है कि रोहित ने कैसे इस फील्ड में अपना काम बनाया, how he got to work with BBK Wines, then you must watch this podcast that I'll drop below in the description. And that's it.
In real life, if you want to get into proper talent management and make the most out of it, get one artist with you who you are ready to dedicate your entire life. Like, I'll give you a very blunt example, not blunt example, it's just very random example. Anuv Jain is being managed by Ayushmann Sinha, who is from Represent, right? Ayushmann built Anuv from the ground. So it's like he dedicated his everything to Anuv. He took a bet कि हाँ, Anuv चल गया तो मेरा करियर भी चलेगा. So that is the real definition of talent management. So if anyone wants to start, either एक talent पकड़ो जिसपे तुम्हें full potential लगता है, one artist, one talent, and then grow with him. या तो अगर तुम्हें basic general shit करना है तो just open a like influencer marketing company, 100-200 लोगों को sign करो and वहाँ से you make money out of it. So yeah, it depends कि how you want to pursue it.
And you just need to master one of these 5 businesses to make 1 lakh rupees a month or even more. And I'll be real with you, ठीक है? Once you taste the monetary freedom of earning 1 lakh rupees per month, you'll push yourself even harder to reach 3 lakhs, 6 lakhs, even start a business around it. Just focus on learning and taking action. And you can very easily go from making 0 money to making 12 lakh a year. I hope this video was helpful because these are my friends who are making more than 12 lakhs a year, but they also started like me. They also reached somewhere in their journey to that 1 lakh figure, and since then they know the freedom of making 12 lakhs a year, right? I know उसके बाद 30% tax हो जाएगा, but that's something else. That's a video for someday else. Catch you on the next one. Peace.